So the 2026 World Cup is finally here. And during this time, there's a huge surge in traffic, like billions of people searching for scores, news, highlights, and basically updates, right? And this kind of surge is actually a great opportunity for content creators and publishers. And if you belong to any of those categories, I'm going to show you how you can actually take advantage of that opportunity using Monetag. So first things first, what is Monetag? Now, Monetag is basically a monetization platform that basically allows you to monetize any type of traffic, whether it's social media, blogs, website, apps, any kind of content basically, as long as you are online. And what are the benefits of using Monetag? There are actually many, and some of these include instant approval, but it doesn't take much to get approved on Monetag. And two, there is actually no minimum requirements in terms of the traffic that is actually allowed, the amount of traffic. And three, they support all publishers, regardless of size. They have weekly payouts with $5 as the minimum payout. And they work alongside AdSense. So, why is this World Cup so important? The World Cup is actually the biggest sport and it draws billions of viewers. And it only happens once in every 4 years. The FIFA World Cup 2026 runs from June to July. There are 48 teams, 104 matches, and that is actually 39 days of global attention. So during this time, advertisers tend to spend a lot, and CPMs often rise. The fill rates also improve. This means that publishers can actually earn more from the same amount of traffic. For those running sports, news, and entertainment platforms, this is actually a great opportunity. And even though you don't run platforms in those kind of niches, you can actually gain from spillover traffic from those niches. So how can Monetag exactly help you to monetize your traffic? So Monetag basically provides ads in which you can actually show within your platforms. They have different ad formats that you can actually use based on your type of platform, whether it's apps, social media, websites, and things like that. So as a publisher, you can actually place those ads within your platforms and you earn money if your audience actually views those ads. Monetag basically provides 4 different types of ads within their ecosystem. These include a pop-under, a push, a vignette, and an in-page push. As I've mentioned, this is actually designed for different platforms. Now, they also have something called a multi-tag. And what that is simply a group of those 4 ads in one setup. And in that setup, they use AI, whereby AI basically choose the best performing format, which is actually suitable for your platform. In simple terms, that's actually all on the ad formats. So in the next section of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually visit Monetag, explore the process on how you can actually use this platform to monetize your traffic. So setting up an account on Monetag is basically simple, right? So you come to Monetag and go to sign up right here. Then you'll arrive at this page. And here you can actually create an account with an email or with a Google account. But in my case, I'm not going to do that because I already have an account. So I'm going to go to Monetag, then simply log in with my account, right? Now that I'm in, you can actually see a bunch of options right here. So if you have a website and you want to basically display ads on a website, you can actually use the website right here. Come and add your website. Or if you have like a Telegram mini app, you can actually also come and select this option right here and add your app URL. But the best way to do it is through a direct link right here. So you can actually create links here and actually copy any of these links and paste them in your website or social media. And if you want to create a link, you simply come to direct link, simply add the link right here, and then it will simply create a new link. And you can actually see the statistics on how each link is performing by clicking on the statistics right here, which is basically simple. So in my case, let's say if I want to copy this link to my website, I simply come to copy link and simply come to any website and highlight anywhere I want to put this link and simply click insert link and then paste the link just like that. And if it's social media, I simply do the same thing again, copy the link, come to social media, go to any of my videos, find any video where I need to add the link, and simply go to the description and simply add my link anywhere here. I can say maybe paste and then paste it right here, and that's basically it. So depending on your platform, it is actually that easy to work with a direct link. You still have ads played to your audience whenever they click that link. So apart from that, there is nothing much I can say about Monetag, apart from saying that it is actually a good way to monetize your traffic in 2026 during the FIFA World Cup. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.